Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this key fob. This is out of a Town and Country, and the Dodge Caravan is the exact same. Here's what you need. You need a 2032 battery. You just need one of these. You can get them on Amazon, and they're pretty inexpensive. There's a link below in the description that will take you straight to Amazon. You can get what you need. And then also a thin screwdriver is helpful. Alright, so first order of business is you want to take the actual key out. So slide this over, pull that out. Next, this little face here is going to be coming up. So I'm going to take my screwdriver and put it right in here and just pry upwards. And all you really have to do is just loosen that up. Okay, so that comes out. This little rubber piece is where the circuit board's housed. And there is battery. You can just pop it out right there. And this actually says 2032 plus side down. So take your new battery and pop it in right there. Okay. Place this right over top of that, and this right over top of that. Give it a good squeeze. Make sure you're all locked in. Put your key back, you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.